I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight.
Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Milltown Tubes 414. Down here at the South Shore Yacht Club, and they're tearing it up, y'all. Tearing up the South Shore Yacht Club. What's good with that, man? Look at this, all kinds of this. Terrible thing, man. I hope y'all having a great day. I hope y'all have a good weekend. It's coming up around the bend. Just down here, just seeing what's good. You get yelled at?
If I touch it?
Oh.
Are you videoing?
So what's up, YouTube?
Oh!
Jenny! Goddamn! You got Jenny in the cut. Look what they're doing. This here is the South Shore Yacht Club here in Wisconsin, and I don't know where, and over here was where, you know. Alright, over there is where, you know, we docked our boats to go out on Lake Michigan, and that's the Lake Michigan behind us here. There's a beach over on that side. It's really hard to see because it's very bright outside here. There's the sun. Oh man, it's really bright. But yeah, this was it's a bad video. South Shore Yacht Club in the old Milltown, tearing it up. Hope they hook it up though. I hope they hook it up. Ow!